Hello. Today I would like to show you how you can obtain a transcript from a YouTube video without the timestamps. Previously, YouTube had an option to turn off the timestamps, but that option is no longer available. So here is a quick and easy way to remove the timestamps using Microsoft Excel. I will first show you how easy it is to do this once you get your worksheet set up. Just copy a YouTube transcript and paste it into cell B5. Now extend the formula down, click on a true value, right click, select filter, filter by selected cell's value, and the timestamps will be filtered out. So here is our transcript without the timestamps. What we are doing is using a filter that tells Excel that we only want to see the data that meets our criteria. In this case, we're telling Excel to filter or hide all odd-numbered rows, which are the rows with the timestamp values. I have included the instructions in the Show More section below this video. I will now go through the process step by step. Starting with a blank worksheet, you can type in your heading to remove timestamps, and then in this second row I have shown you the formula that we are using for the filter. In the fourth row, type formula and paste timestamps into cell B5. In cell A5, we want to insert this formula. We can either copy it like so, or we can type it. Equals IsEven row A5 and press enter. So now let's get a transcript from a YouTube video and I'll show you how this works. Click on the three dots below the YouTube video, then click Show Transcript. Come up to the transcript and start selecting text, then scroll to the bottom, hold down the Shift key, and then left click to select all of the text. Then press Ctrl+C to copy. Now let's go back to our workbook. We are going to paste our transcript into cell B5. Now we need to extend our formula down the column, and to do that we will make use of this small square in the bottom right corner of the highlighted cell. Double click the small square. Now click on True, which is a row that has a transcript text. Now right click and select Filter, filter by selected cell's value. Now we have our transcript without any timestamps. You can use Ctrl+C to copy the transcript and then use Ctrl+v to paste the transcript wherever you would like it. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.